Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you get good at player versus player in Blox Fruit mobile, okay? And these are just some few tips, of course. The number one tip is experience and familiarization at terrains, and also leveling up, okay? Leveling up is probably also one of the best methods that is available in the game. So yeah, just basically play the game. How can you get good at something if you don't, actually experience some hard stuff, okay? So you need to actually go through the hassle of traversing through each levels, especially boss fights, so you could gain a lot of experience and yeah, just basically you get good over time in this traverse game. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. That's it for this video. Have a nice day.